Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix the snap to object feature not working in your Lucidchart diagrams and whiteboard presentations. So let us guide you through this. So let me navigate to that example of whiteboard presentation here. And snap to object means basically, guys, let's assume you have a connector like this, but you can apply this to basically any object and try to connect, for example, that drawing here with another object. If you hover your mouse close to the connecting dot here of the next object, it will automatically snap to it. That's snap to object. Now, if it doesn't work or is not working for your account, that may be due to your presentation settings. So what you will need to do, guys, is make sure that it is enabled. To do that, click into these three lines here in the top left corner. And after that, what you want to do is navigate to board settings, hover your mouse over it, and make sure that snap to objects is enabled. Now, if I disable it, let me show you, it will not work anymore. So now, for example, I need to position the connector exactly above that circle here. And that's basically it. So let me enable it back again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.